Hello. If you are running any kind of pay-per-click advertising on Google Adwords or any other channel, then click fraud is a big issue for every business. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can reduce the risk of click fraud so that you get a higher return on investment for your AdWords campaigns. Hello, I'm Ozair and thanks for joining in. If you enjoy videos like this one, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and you'll be the first one to be notified when I upload similar videos like this one. So let's get started and talk about click fraud. It is an issue. Every account suffers from it, no matter what Google, Bing, Facebook or any other pay-per-click advertising company does. It's a fact of life. So what can you do to prevent? I don't think anybody can prevent click frauds, but what can you do to eliminate a certain percentage of the risk, or what are the options available for you to reduce this click frauds? So as per Google, what they classify click fraud are called invalid clicks. So clicks on ads that Google considers to be illegitimate, such as unintentional clicks or clicks resulting from malicious software or bots. So this is going to happen in every account. So first you need to identify this problem. So how do you see this or find this? So let's go into an AdWords account, and you can see I've got these three columns over here which are called invalid clicks, invalid interaction rate and invalid click rate. If you hover the mouse on them, each explanation will be defined and you can read about it. If you don't see these three columns, all you need to do is to go into modify column, go into performance, and you see that you can, if they are unchecked, then all you do is check them in and they will be added to your column list that they are over here. And then you can save the column list or and apply, and you'll be able to see it. So we can see that Google has already detected quite a few invalid clicks on this account. So these are not charged to the business account or the account owners. They won't be charged. So Google has already classified them as invalid clicks. So what can you do to reduce this? The first thing you can do is to keep your campaign structure very tight. By that I mean try and avoid broad match keywords where your ads will be shown for irrelevant search terms when somebody is searching for. So I would recommend using phrase match, broad modified and exact to start with. That will reduce quite a bit. The other way you can reduce it or cut it down is by going to your settings and go to your campaign. Under additional campaigns, you can see over here IP exclusions. So you can have a list of IP exclusions over here, and over there your ads won't be shown. So if you see from your data from your website hosting there that there is a lot of irregular traffic or activities from certain IP addresses, then you can include it over here. If you are running a big company or in charge of AdWords for a multinational or a company which has got hundreds if not thousands of people, then I would also recommend you exclude your IP address over here, because then by accident your employees can't click on it. Obviously that does not classify as click fraud, but your CTR and your CTR won't be affected, and you won't get any unintentional clicks. So you can exclude IP addresses, locations. There are also third-party software which will help you detect and reduce click fraud. Another way where you can reduce the risk of click frauds on the search network is to advertise on other networks like Google Display Network, on YouTube as video ads, Gmail ads. Although there is click frauds on GDN as well, but what I found is if I were to run campaigns on a cost per thousand basis, which is CPM, then my risk reduces quite a bit. So no matter how many fraudulent clicks I get, I won't be charged per click, because we are not bidding by per click. We are bidding per thousand impressions. And CPM bidding works really well for us and our clients if it's for a localized campaign. So for a local campaign around 5 or 10 mile radius, because I can get a lot of eyeballs on the brand, and from the branding point of view it is really good. So obviously we are going on a different tangent now away from click fraud, but CPM bidding you can consider if you feel that you are getting a lot of click frauds. Google has got a very sophisticated system in place for detecting these click frauds, but no matter how sophisticated or brilliant it is, there will always be click frauds which is going to happen. So one thing I do believe in is karma. What goes around comes around. So if you are clicking on your competitors' ads, don't do it, because it's not nice and you won't like it if they do the same to you. So that's it for this video. If you have suffered from click fraud, let me know your experience in the comment box below. Take care. Bye for now.